If you've ever stumbled across irish-supply.com while browsing online and thought it might be the perfect place to grab unique family gifts, handy pet items, or even baby essentials, you're probably wondering if it's truly a trustworthy store or just another site using flashy marketing to reel in shoppers. On the surface, Irish Supply certainly looks appealing. They claim to be Irish-owned. Their website is clean and modern, and they promote themselves heavily on social media, with more than 65,000 followers on Facebook and another 50,000 on Instagram, which can easily make them seem like a reliable and popular choice. The fact that their domain has been active since October 2022 also gives a sense of stability, compared to brand new stores that often pop up and vanish overnight. They even provide customer support options through email and live chat, which at least suggests they want to appear accessible to buyers. But when you look deeper, several concerns raise eyebrows. For example, Irish Supply constantly promotes massive 50% discounts alongside countdown timers, a marketing tactic often used to create urgency and pressure shoppers into making quick purchases, something that can feel less about giving genuine deals and more about pushing sales. Another issue is that many of their product photos appear to be taken directly from other sites rather than being original images, which can be a red flag since it doesn't always reflect the true quality of what you'll receive. Their bold claims of having 340,000 happy customers and over 27,000 reviews also don't quite add up when compared to external sources. Trustpilot, for instance, shows only a 3.1-star rating, which is average at best and doesn't align with the picture of an overwhelmingly satisfied customer base. When it comes to real customer experiences, the feedback is very mixed. Some shoppers say their orders arrived on time, the products were decent, and overall they had no major issues. But others tell a different story. Reporting that items often shipped from China despite the store being marketed as Irish-owned. Products didn't always match the advertised quality, shipping took far longer than expected, and when problems arose, customer support wasn't always as helpful as promised. This mix of both positive and negative experiences makes it hard to fully categorize Irish Supply as either completely legitimate or outright fraudulent. So, where does that leave potential shoppers? The store does have signs of being somewhat established, but the heavy reliance on discounts, copied images, exaggerated customer numbers, and average external reviews suggest that buyers should be very cautious. Irish Supply isn't necessarily a scam in the sense that you'll always lose your money, but it may not deliver the kind of trustworthy, high-quality experience its marketing tries to portray. If you're thinking of ordering, it's best to weigh the risks, read independent customer reviews, and maybe test it with a small purchase before committing to anything bigger.